Hi, everybody. So today we're going to be solving proportions. Now, a proportion is literally just two equal fractions. And in this case, we're looking for a missing value. So there are a few ways of doing it. I'm going to show you the two most common ways. So the first way we have is to solve them by looking for cross products. So last year in XLM, you were taught to check if two fractions were equal by checking their cross product. So in this case, you would do 25 times 30. Then you would multiply that. You would compare that to the multiplication of this. Now, unfortunately, here we have a variable, a letter. So what this winds up being is 12 times the number equals 25 times 30. Right? 25 times 30. So 12n, that's how we write 12 times the number, equals 25 times 30. So what I'll do here really quick, 25 times 30, just to make sure I get the right answer, we get 750. 750. Now to get the n by itself, we want to do the opposite operations. This is saying 12 times a number. We now want to divide this side by 12. This cancels out. But since it's an equation, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. We divide this side also by 12. We go into our calculator. You notice I didn't take the 750 out. I divide by the 12. We wind up with 62.5. So this gets us, our number is 62 and a half, 62.5. So that's going to be your answer for, in this case, our n. Now, there is another way to do it. Now, this is one where you can see the relationship without having to cross multiply. So from here, I have 5 times 10 gets me 50. Oops, that's very, 5 times 10 equals 50. Now I just do the same thing for the top. 4 times 10 gives me 40. So in this case, k equals 40. Now, sometimes the variable will be on the other side. So let's go ahead. Let's say it's m over 16 equals 4 over 32. Now, in this case, I can either cross multiply. So I would do 4 times 16 and 32 times m. Or I can look for a relationship. I'm going to look for the relationship here. 16 times 2 gets me 32. So I'm going from left to right. I'm going to multiply in this case. But to go backwards, to go the other way, I have to do the opposite operation. So this would be 4 divided by 2 to get m equaling 2. Now we change colors here really quick. I'll do the cross multiplication way. If I cross multiply, 16 times 4 equals 32 times m. Gets us 64 equals 32 m. Divide this side by 32 to get the m by itself. Divide this side by 32. So we make sure we keep an equality. We get 2 equals m. And since it's an equal sign, we don't care if the variable's on the left or the right side. All right, so again, you can use the method here of cross multiply and divide, or you can use seeing what the relationship is and working from there if you can see it readily. All right, so that's solving proportions. Have a great day, folks, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.